and today we're going to unbox this Lego tiger thingy. We're to celebrate the Year of Tiger, and this is the Year of Tiger. Alright guys, here we go. Here we have the Tiger Year Lego thingy. Here we have the God of Fortune. There's a lot of money and gold and red packets, and there's a lantern that has a tiger on it. And then down here we have these guys. Hi, they're making tiger posters. See? Oh, see? Cute. And it looks like this guy's painting something. Let's get close to look at what he's painting. Okay. How do you put this in?
Dạ giờ đẹp kìa. Oh. Haha.
Sorry guys about the crash, but we rebuilt them. Let's move on. First we have these guys. Looks like this little guy handed his grandparents some red packets, and inside the red packets had some money. And it looks like they have given him a Lego present. See, look, Lego. And looks like there's some books here, a painting of a tiger, and a cherry blossom tree. Next one. Looks like these guys are watching New Year's special on their TV. Right there. Look, there's also a family portrait of them right here. A fish tank, a clock, and a little trophy, golden trophy or whatever. Next one. Looks like this guy is selling stuff. Looks like he's selling chicken legs, sausages, and veggies. Right there. And some paintings down there too. And the last one, but not least, these guys. Looks like they're cleaners. Looks like this guy is, dusting up here. And there's a little birdie here. And looks like she's cleaning this window with a bucket. Water. No water. Water. Well, looks like that's it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.